Keep them coming. Look at that! Oh my God! Corn Chronicles. Nope. Good morning. Hello, good morning. So we are right here. This is us right here. Right there. There we go. Oh, and we got a nice room too. Thank you, thank you. StenCy KEY derives from the phrase consistency is key. A brand for content creators, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters, gym rats. A brand to remind you that consistency is key in order to succeed. StenCyKey.com. At StenCy KEY on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. At StenCy KEY. And remember, consistency is key. Hey, so the mosquitoes and the flies be kind of bad out here sometimes, so don't judge me, all right? But I bought these. They say it's supposed to work, man. They're like predatory insects. You know what I'm saying? The dragonfly are like little 3D printed things. I'm gonna put on my hat, put them in the area, and we're gonna see if they deter these flies and these mosquitoes. Cause they are unbearable out here, you feel me? So we gotta make it work. So I'm gonna try this. I also got a bug zapper thing. We trying everything. You feel me? We trying everything. So I'm gonna let y'all know how I go. If y'all see me with these on my hat, hey, don't judge me. Don't judge me, all right? I'm trying to protect myself. It's that Bahamian rum cake.
short out front. They, we saw last week, the Dolphins, when they got down that red zone inside the 5, they were trying to run the football. Time out calls here.
I think every opportunity this year in short yardage, whether it's the middle of the field like this.
Oh my God. Oh.
Cracked styrofoam dreams stacked in a bag. Grease stains marking where the flavors lie. Corn good chronicles written in sauce. Fork in my hand but I'm feeling lost. Take out report card, A or fail. Did the fries survive or did they go stale? Corn good chronicles, the truth prevails. Taste buds filled with no details. Noodles too soggy but the wings hit right. Rice too sticky but the spice ignites. Grading my dinner on the soft moonlight. Take out tails on a Tuesday night.
It's kind of like look a little bit how it was when we came, but the turtles weren't out. Just walking in the water. I want to test this out, but I don't. Yeah. I know, I gotta test it out to see. I know, but I'm scared though. I'm scared. All right, we're gonna close it up. It's all closed. We're gonna try it. That shit burning, man. God damn. I should have worn my goggles. So far it's working though. Underwater. It is still working though. That's pretty crazy. It'd be nice to practice a little bit. I don't know what we was thinking. think I'm gonna try to go over there. Gotta take our time.
Close your eyes, feel the warm embrace. This is the rhythm of a timeless place. Drifting slow, let the tide take me. No worries now, just the endless sea, Island drift, when the soul feels free, Island drift,
Alright, we're gonna hook this little square up. Got one there. And we're gonna put one on this one too. Alright, let's try it out. First cast of the day. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And also share this to your friends. You know, I'm trying to grow the channel. So if you could share it, that would be greatly appreciated. Also, shout out to my sponsor, StenCy KEY. Remember, consistency is key. To all my content creators out there, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters. Remember, consistency is key. All right, guys, let's get it.